Hi, I'm Janine. I'm at the beautiful Fitzroy Island. Here's a quick little side plank series and giving you a nice little burn through your hips as well. So we're going to set up. We're going to start. You can add arm weights if you want to. We're going to start with your shoulders over your elbows. Lift up into that modified plank, side plank. We're going to lift the arm up and down. Good work. 4 to go. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. We're going to do little hip dips. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower yourself down. Sweating. Prop yourself up. That underneath leg is going to come forward. Lifting up, hand goes behind the head, and we're just going to go forward and back, focusing on the backward motion. 5 to go, and 4, and 3. Keep that leg nice and straight. Lift up from underneath. Hold it here, push out through the heel, little circles. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's reverse that. 10, 9, stay lifted. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. The knee comes in and out. 7, and 6, and 5, and 4, 3. Are you going? Feeling the burn yet? Hold it. Little lifts. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take the legs down. Going to go into those hovers. Little scissors here. Focus on the backward motion. Keep drawing those abdominals in. 5 to go. And 4. And 3. And 2. Last one, hold it here. We're going to do little lifts. 9, 8, 7. Reach those legs long. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Catch that leg. Have a bit of a stretch here. Flip over onto your back. Try not to roll off the rock. Figure 4 stretch. Bring that leg towards you. Rocking yourselves up. Swing your legs around. Coming up. Sitting yourself up into that side plank position. Lifting up from underneath. We're going to hold it. The arms is going to go down and up. You can add wrist or hand weights here. 2 more. Now we're going to work those obliques, little hip dips. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good work. Take that leg forward, lifting up from underneath. Ribs are in. Flex that foot forward. Inhale, take it back. Forward and back. I've got a challenge of being on the rock. You guys should just be on a mat. It's a little bit easier than what I'm doing. Good work. Exhale forward. Inhale, take it back. Focusing on that backward motion. Hold it here. Good. And then we're going into those scissors. Good work. Focus on the underneath motion, that's that hip extension. Really elongate out of the hip joint. 2 more. Last one, hold it here. Lift up, little circles. Pushing out through the heel. Good work, let's reverse that. 10, 9, stay lifted. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The knee comes in and out. Last 2. Hold it here, little lifts. Good work. Take yourself down. We're just going to do those lifts. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Catch that leg. Good work. Flip over onto your backs. Across that working leg. Figure 4 stretch. Oh, the breeze is so nice here. Good work. Rock yourself up. And that's your little side oblique and hip and thigh little series.